Welcome to Dayspring Trailers. Today we're looking at a brand new tow dolly, and this is not your cheap version. This is a very high-end tow dolly. Has all the extra things you need, starting with 5,200 pound capacity per side. It's also got brakes on both wheels, so you have brakes when you're slowing down your motorhome or what you're towing with. This one is designed to where you pull this pin if you need to, tilt it up to drive on. But the cool thing also is this big bolt is a pivot bolt, so when you're going down the road, it turns the corners like you do, so it's not fighting. It's a nice smooth transition. All LED lights all the way around on it. Full size 15-inch 205 tires, 14-inch tires on it. Nice heavy duty steel, very strong construction, not the inexpensive cheap ones. This is a high quality tow dolly, so when you're towing your car, you don't have to worry about something going wrong. Does come with the straps. We just threw a tire on there to kind of give you an idea. Big wheel wells for different size tires, whether you have an SUV or whatever you're putting on there, it can handle it. If you have questions about this or anything else, reach out to us at dayspringtrailers.com or call us at 503-666-7300. And thanks for looking. Have a wonderful day.